शङ्खं चक्रं जलौकां दधतमृतघटं चारुदौर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिरुद्ध्यां शुकपरिविलसत् मौलिबम्भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसत् चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगदवन प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम्. I am Vaidya Tejaswini Bhale. I am an Ayurveda physician and practicing Ayurveda Vaidya based in Pune, India. I am working as a lifestyle management consultant and women's health expertise along with Nadi Pariksha and a very modern technology using the science of AI. Here in Turia, I work as a development team to develop a wellness unit or the product which is for the well-being of everyone. Using the ancient science of Ayurveda and modern technology along with the modern science of nutrition and culinary, we have come up with a new product, Turiya, your at-home Nadi Vaidya. Ayurveda, the science of life. Ayurveda is defined as the hitahitam sukham dukkham ayutasya hitahitam manam chatatcha yatroktam ayurvedaha sauchyate. Ayurveda defines about what is the healthy lifestyle and what is the diseases. Here, the need of the time is to correct our lifestyle and modify it to get wellness and not to get diseased. Under Turiya, we are having the same aim to give a well-being and a wellness to everyone's life. Ayurveda fundamentals mainly based on the body type, that is the Prakruti, and the disease pattern we called as the Vikruti. Ayurveda is having this fundamental and we are using the same in Turiya to diagnose and to give the lifestyle corrections to our users. Prakruti is the examination which we mainly do by the questionnaire based. Ayurveda is having the Trivida Pariksha, the three ways to examine any patient. That is the Darshan, Sparshan and Prashnaihi. So for this Prashnaihi Pariksha, we are having our questionnaires which includes the 23 questions for the Prakruti, that is the body type examination, and around 40 questions to know about yourself deeply, which is within you and about your inner health. We are having the questions includes about your personal health, about your wellness, food habits, and the woman's health questionnaire. Now, using these questionnaires, we come up with a imbalance pattern which is in you. We diagnose it, compare it with your Prakruti, and our journey starts. Now, we are using the second parameter, that is the Darshan Pariksha, by our tongue analysis. You have to take a selfie of your tongue and we analyze it, and we found how the toxins are accumulated in your body, at which system it is accumulated, and where we have to cure it. So for this tongue analysis, we use the modern science, modern technology of AI, and we come up with the analyze and the results based on tongue analysis. That is our Darshan Pariksha. Now for the Sparshan Pariksha, the very crucial part comes is the Nadi Pariksha. We have the Ashtavida Pariksha, and out of that, Jivha Parikshan and Nadi Parikshan is important. In Turiya, we are having this unique feature of Nadi Pariksha using the awarded technology of Nadi Tarangedi, which is given by the Ministry of Ayush. Now using this Nadi Pariksha, we can analyze your inner health and we give you what are the imbalances are happen in your mind and body. We analyze it and gives you the quotients, which are mainly the well-being quotient, the stress quotient and the digestion quotient. Ayurveda considers mainly the health which is from inside and that is related with your digestive fire, that we called as Agni. And here the digestion quotient comes. So what is your Agni? How is your digestive fire is working? As per that, we are having what type of toxins and how much of toxins or armor is present in your body and which system is affected because of that. Considering all these parameters through Nadi Pariksha, we give you the digestion quotient. Now the next comes is the stress quotient, which is very important part and crucial thing because Ayurveda considers mind and body together. So whatever is happening in the mind that affects the body and vice versa. That's why to count this stress quotient, we use the HRV patterns, we use the mind, the mana, bhava, and we come up with the stress quotient. Now, with two patterns, two these quotients of digestion and stress, we are having a well-being quotient, which considers all your body and mind status, which is having the well-being thing, which is related with your srotasa and dhatu, which are the main things or the quotients we consider as in Ayurveda for diagnosis and to treat any patient. Or the here for the Turiya users, we are using these quotients to give our lifestyle corrections. These all corrections are very personalized because we consider the Prakriti and Vikruti of the user. So considering the Prakriti and Vikruti of the user, Turiya gives you personalized corrections which are mainly considers the Ahara, that is diet, yoga, exercise, Nidra and the water intake. Ahar, Nidra and Brahmacharya. In Ayurveda, we called it as the Trayopastambha. These are the three tripods of a healthy lifestyle. That's why in Turiya we emphasize on your ahara, which is the personalized form based on your prakriti. If you are having any disease or any imbalances, we consider those things because we are having all the information about you, about your family history from our questionnaires. Our Coach Connect is there, which gives you the detailed information about how Turiya works. And in this diet or the Ahara, we have considered the Ahar Shastra, the Pakakala Shastra, and the Ahar Vidhi Vishesh Ayatane from the Ayurveda science. That's why we are having this very unique platform which considers you in a personalized way and gives you a healthy lifestyle. Now the next part comes is the yoga. Yoga is considered as the exercise for the mind. Ayurveda is having three humors which are Vata, Pitta and Kapha. And Vata is related with the mind. That's why to make control over this Vata and the mind, yoga is very important. That's why in Turiya we gives you the asana and the meditation techniques to control your mind and give you a stress-free healthy life. Now to consider your Vikruti, it is always important to consider you how you are today. That's why in Turiya, we ask you some daily questions about your health and of course your mood and lifestyle changes on weekdays and weekends. That's why we are having unique questions on weekends also. Considering these answers, we find out your Vikruti or imbalance and we give you all the recommendations as per your Prakriti as I mentioned earlier, but along with that as per your likings also. That's why Turiya is a unique platform which considers all the fundamentals of Ayurveda but also gives you the healthy and very nutritious recipes based on your mind and likings also. Now finally, let me concise all these things, what we do under Turiya. Now as I am saying again that this is a personalized way, we are giving you all the recommendations. Along with this Prakriti, that is your body type, we explains your Ayurveda profile, which is the unique way how you behave or how is your inner health or your digestion, metabolism, your mind state behaves from your childhood to your older age. This is the Prakriti which is not going to change for your lifestyle. But of course it will change as per your likings. That's why we consider the seasonal changes, your age factor when we give you all the recommendations. So in Turiya, what we do is the considering all these things, all these dimensions of your Prakriti, your Vikruti, the location, that is the place where you stay, the Rutu, that is the seasons, the seasonal changes, and very importantly, the Dinacharya and Rutucharya, which is the main aspect of Ayurveda. giving you all the recommendations for you in a very specialized and personalized way through this Turiya platform. Today's pandemic condition has taught us that nothing is important than our health. That's why, for our mental health and the physical health, I appeal that everyone should pay attention to their mental and physical well being. That's why I will highly recommend you to use our product Turya as your well-being companion, is your at-home Nadi Vaidya. Through Turya, I am appealing you to use the healthy lifestyle to gain physical and mental health in a proper way and to achieve your health goals in a correct way. Thank you.